Guys, and welcome to Makeupista. So I have been MIA for good 3-4 months and I'm back. A lot of things going on. I'm in a different house. Really wanted to get back on filming videos because it's been so long and I didn't want to lose you guys, or I didn't want you to feel that I've just disappeared out of nowhere. So I thought, let us start from somewhere and work on whatever we have. So that's the setup. I am filming it through a phone and I hope this video turns out to be just perfect. So 2 months back I have got these two St.Botanica products. As you guys know that I am a very big fan of St.Botanica products. I have reviewed the serum, etc., which had worked so beautifully. Thought I'd go ahead and buy a eye cream and a moisturizer. So this is the Anti-Aging Brightening cream and this is the under eye cream. So I kind of bought them together, kind of post videos one by one because it might get a bit confusing. So this is the product. So this is the box. I have managed to keep it even after 2.5 months or more than that. So I have still managed to keep it. It's a very good looking product, very goldeny. It looks very classy, though it's plastic, but it still looks expensive. So I'll quickly tell you what's mentioned on the box. The Anti-Aging Brightening Cream. So it is good. It works on effects of aging, that is reducing wrinkles, fine lines, age spots, firming, hydrating, toning and rejuvenating. It has SPF 25 PA++. The ingredients, what I can understand, which I care about, I'll tell you. They are retinol, hyaluronic acid, vitamin C, argan oil, sweet almond oil, and let's leave out the rest. This is 50 ml of product and it is meant for all skin type. Priced at $14.99, but I have always got it in discount. Like I've always seen it on discounted price on Nykaa or just their website. There's always some of the other discounts going on, so you can get hands on it in a pretty cheaper rate. So let's look at the product. Once you open it, it has a stopper. See, the tub is like a little illusional. So the actual tub is still here, and you know, all that packaging to show that we have given you a lot of product. This is how the product is. It's not very runny, it's not very thick, it's not liquidy. Something in between. It smells like creams which had those ancient smell like Vico or something that our grandmoms used to use. So that kind of smell, and it's very fresh. It's a very lemony, citrusy kind of a smell, and it kind of melts into your skin pretty fast. It doesn't take that much time because it's not very thick. So, and it gives a good sheen to your skin. What I would tell you about this cream is once I started using it, my skin is very sensitive. So whatever cream I start using, I do break out for the first 2-3 days, and then my skin kind of adapts, and if it works, it works. If it doesn't work, it doesn't work. So the same thing happened the first day. I did get little bumps here and there, and I knew, you know, I had to go on with it. Every cream worked out like that for me. So the next, like I tried it for good 2-3 days and then it was fine for me. It completely suited my skin, so there was no issues there. So because it has retinol in it, it is very important to use a sunscreen. It does has a SPF of 25, so that is good in case you do not want to top it up with a sunscreen, so you're still good to go. It can be used in the day and night because it has SPF, and you can use it in the night as well because it's not very heavy. It won't be very good for winters. It won't be enough for winter if your skin is very dry, but for summers it's perfect as night cream. It's not very greasy, it doesn't leave your skin very heavy, oily and all of that. So that way it's completely got it covered. Even for the daytime, I don't really get oily if I wear it under makeup. So it's all fine. Also for the night time, I kind of use this with my serum, the St.Botanica serum, the vitamin C hyaluronic serum that I have. Even if you're not using any serum, I think this is pretty much good. You're good to go in summertime, but for winters you will need to add something more to it. It reduces wrinkles. Now I don't know about that because I still don't have wrinkles on my face, so I won't be able to judge or comment on that, so I couldn't test that out. Brightening and firming. So I don't really care about brightening, but I have really noticed that if you have tan, it kind of works on getting rid of your tan. I don't think this is the only product. Like, if you use it individually, it will work on your tan, but somewhere down the line, if you use it for a good 2-3 months, maybe your tan might go off. And it also says about firming, so I don't know about that either. And then it talks about firming, so I don't know if it firms up my skin or not, because I've not really experienced anything as such. And I don't know if, I mean, my skin is not very saggy or anything. I'm in early 30s, so I still don't think I need a cream for firming, etc. So if you have matured skin, with a lot of, your skin is sagging a bit, you need firming, maybe you can try that out, because this is what it claims. And I kind of trust St.Botanica for, living up to the claims. So overall, I would say it's a good cream, especially because it's an anti-aging cream. As I always say, that if you are in late 20s, somewhere around 25 plus or just 25, you should start using an anti-aging cream, because it kind of stops or reduces or kind of makes the process slow, makes the aging process slow, which is good. You won't have dark spots that we get from the sun damage, you won't have wrinkles that early, everything. So it's just a precaution kind of cream. If you look at an anti-aging cream, so this is perfect because it's lightweight, day and night cream. I don't really need to buy any other cream apart from that. Though it doesn't show very visible results, so I've used it for good 2 months. So though it didn't really show me a visible effect on like forming, etc., but I still don't have wrinkles as of yet. Preventive measure kind of a cream. I got this cream solely because I wanted an anti-aging cream and I trust this brand, and that's how I kind of got this product. So that was all about the review. I don't know if it was confusing, it was good or bad. Just let me know if I confused you in any way. But I would just say it depends on what you're looking for. If you're looking for an anti-aging cream, I think it's good enough. But if you already have a matured skin, I don't know how that will work out. You might have to give a long commitment to this cream, because in 2 months or in 2 months you can't really see a visible effect. That's all about this video. Stay tuned for the under eye cream. I'm going to talk about it in my next video. Bye.